hold it up here.
I'm just going to do my Peach Fuzz facial hair removal because I do have a hairy chin. I do have Peach Fuzz, and I have been using, these are from Image A.D.S. They are their Shape and Shave hair removal and dermaplaning tools. So you get 2 in the box, and it says here to safely remove facial hair and peach fuzz. You can use them to shape your eyebrows, exfoliate dead skin and for smoother skin. And then you get 2 in a pack of these. It's small Irish business as well, which is brilliant. So I used to get them on Amazon, and I just found with the ones I was getting on Amazon, like you get 3 in a pack, but they went blunt after the first use. And I've started doing this during the summer. I don't find my hair goes back anyway thicker at all. And my makeup just sits so much nicer, and my skin just feels amazing. But with these, they don't go blunt at all. So I've used it now in a couple of times, and they don't go blunt. It's just really, really nice. So I find I have a lot of peach fuzz here, and you can hear it there. Off all the peach fuzz, and that's actually a little bit there. You can see it. It's disgusting, I know, but like it just leaves your skin feeling so smooth. So you kind of hold it at like a 45-degree angle, and I like to stretch my skin as well. Once a month. And it's just a really nice way to remove the peach fuzz. I would suggest, if you are going to invest and you're going to start doing it, it's for some people don't like doing it. Invest in good ones, because I found I was buying really cheap ones on Amazon, pack of 3 for like €7 and €8, and one go and they were completely blunt.